Hi, hello students. In this video, I am going to discuss about refraction of light. So, what is the refraction and what are the examples of refraction we will discuss now. Let us see the first example. Now we can see that glass slab is placed over some printed letters. So here mechanics word is there. These letters appears raised when we are seeing through the glass slab. Why the letters appears to be raised? What could be the reason behind of this? So what is the reason here? That is nothing but refraction of light. So everyone know that is the property of the light, refraction. And when we are seeing this example, we can get some idea about the refraction of light. Next, let us look at the second example. We have to take the lemon and glass, it is filled with the water. Now take a lemon and place the lemon inside the water. Here we can observe that difference in the size of the lemon. Before, when it is outside, the size is different. When we are placing inside the vessel, the size will be different. So how like it is appears when we are placing inside the water, it is appearing bigger in size when compared to the outside. So see here, now I want to take outside, right? So see here what is the size of the lemon small. When we are releasing inside the water, it is appear in big. Okay, now see clearly. Yes. Stop. So see here, outer side is small in size and which part is inside it is appears bigger in size. This is also reason, that is the refraction of light. We will go to the third example. Take a pencil in the glass and pour some water. Here we can observe clearly what changes here happen. What you observed here, see clearly again once. Yes, we can observe that the pencil appears bending, right? Seeing these examples, we can get some idea about the refraction of light. We see that the activity glass slab is placed over the printed letters, the lemon is kept in a glass slab. All these happen because of the phenomenon of refraction of light. What is the phenomenon? The event happening around us is called the phenomenon. This is the introduction to the refraction of light.